Okay.
Thank you for the invitation on Sunday morning.
Thank you for joining us on Easter Sunday.
Easter Sunday.
And we have beautiful weather outside.
Perfect.
It's unbelievable. It's
Oder auf den
unbelievable.
billigen Plätzen.
Hey Caruso.
Ruhe auf
Hey.
Guten Morgen.
Happy Easter egg.
Happy Easter egg, Pops. Not now, not yet, Volker.
Catch.
Yeah, happy Easter to you. And we'll get the demonstration of the kitchen after Frühstück. We'll look at all the little chickens and the rabbits.
Was möchtest du, Bethel? Butter ist da.
Butter.
Butter ist hier.
Oh, this looks great.
Das Astloch von dem Stuhl auch noch.
And then you have your bag that you totally ruined.
No, don't worry. I can edit that all out.
Habe ich irgendwo, habe ich das gesehen und da habe ich gedacht, das kannst du doch auch. Moos finde ich hier im genau. Und das hier sind ganz normale Hühnereier.
And eggs.
Where's
the design?
There's a hole, and there's a tiny little hole here.
Okay.
And you blow it, and everything comes out.
Design is over here.
Okay,
Is this one.
And it kills your cheeks when you blow eggs.
Yeah.
You like to have fun with
Ja, das tut
design?
weh, du.
It says frisch Ostern.
Frohe Ostern.
Oh, Ostern. What is that? Frisch Ostern. Fresh.
Frohe Ostern. Froh.
Froh?
Happy Easter.
Ah, not fresh.
Frohe, happy
Frohe.
Easter.
Thank you.
Happy Easter.
Great.
And here is a little rabbit.
Cute. Sehr
I
nett.
like this.
Yeah.
I like this.
That's a
Strauß,
that's an
Emu, Nandu, Schwan.
Schwan. Oh boy,
Das
that's
war ein
huge.
Schwan.
Schwan.
Und das da is a double Easter egg.
Meaning what?
Double. With two yellow.
Oh, two
pieces.
yellow in there, yeah?
Yeah, it's
Ah.
a big one.
And that was Schwan also, or what was that?
This one is Schwan.
And what is that one?
This one is double goose.
Double goose. Okay.
Goose.
Two goose.
Two goose.
Gotcha.
The big ones.
Oh, they're green. Yeah, I thought it was black.
They're green. No,
That's
it's
an
green.
emu.
It's emu.
Emu is from Australia?
No, from Australia.
Australia.
Yeah.
Australian ostrich.
Yeah.
And then your Lincoln hunt is, what is
Chicken.
it? Chicken. Oh, right. That's a schinken, so show you the difference. Net.
This is 3 weeks ago.
This is the Easter tree here. We have an egg tree.
My Easter tree.
There, net.
And this one is the Easter bunny.
And the Easter bunny.
Inside.
Right.
And this people is, this lady is gone. And she said to her husband, you have to stay and I'll go.
Oh, really? She stayed and he went.
Yeah.
So she's all by herself in there now.
Yeah.
That's a single woman in that house now, Volker.
In the guy's house?
In Marky's room.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Amerikaner oder Deutsche?
You're a little bit too early. Otherwise you would see my apple tree.
That's an apple tree.
Full in blossom. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. They're all blossoms. They're all blossoms.
So you trim it every year? You trim it back?
No, this is a special breed which makes this small trees.
So come back. You get apples on it?
Yes.
Fruit? Whoa.
Yeah. But every other year, not every.
Every other year is the fruit.
2 years.
Das ist alles Klapperkram. Das ist aller Klapperkram, du.
Aber wenn du...
Yeah, the let's 2005
Oh
this
mein
was.
Gott, haben wir da Tränen gelacht.
Da waren wir schon etwas.
Feast, thanks.
Ah,
Easter feast is coming. Chef Mathius, looking good. Great steaks. Come on, you're the main chef, cook, hostess. The neues Küche. What are you doing here? Was? Time to. We are on Eschenbrunner Straße von 85, the old home of Thomas and Stephanie and Volker Verbal Royce Frank. I think they pushed that up. I don't think that was there before. And there's the old number. There you are.
Take it quick.
This is schnell. Very quick. and the food.
Möchtest du gerne noch ein halbes Brötchen haben?
Möchtest du noch ein halbes
Halbes
Brötchen haben?
Brötchen, ja.
Lass mich in Ruhe.
Möchtest du ein Stückchen Wurst
Nein.
haben?
Oh,
Möchtest du eine Ohrfeige haben?
Yeah.
Aha.
but don't look to the echo.
Eins um die Ohren.
Okay, here we are. This is what, Solitude we're at now? What is this place called?
Lemsek. Lemsek.
Lemsek.
I will give you the information.
Okay.
This is Lemsek motorbiking meeting point, Stuttgart.
And of course it's a beer, we're in a beer garden
I
here.
think there is a sign to take a picture with.
Go.
This is the circuit of the Solitude racing circuit, which has been driven since 1940, I think, to 1966.
This was from the Mercedes days, early Mercedes.
It's starting with the silver. The silver, we say silver.
Anniversary?
No, the silver cars of Daimler,
Aha,
of Mercedes.
the racing cars.
Yeah.
So this is the Bierstube in Glemzek.
Yeah.
Kuningen beer. A nice stube for a ride in here.
First, bikers catwalk.
Right.
So that was the best 500 bike in the 60s.
An MV Augusta, Brutali. Not sure what the CRC is on it. There's a 1931 Osner Dresden. Another view of the bikes here. A lot of Bergmans, saw half a dozen Bergman scooters. Getting to the ring. New Mercedes-Benz Auto Museum, auto trucks, racing cars. I just did with Karl-Heinz Pohl. Marvelous day. And to the right of it is one of their customer delivery centers. Behind it is a power plant and some facilities. And across the street, what you're looking at now behind the trees is the new sports center. 200, 300 meters away from the museum, where the new soccer team plays. We are in Trier for the second day, and this is one of the world famous amphitheater sites. The Romans built this 2,000 years ago. Here and walk around for an hour? I don't either. No, this is the amphitheater. And this is the Trier der Leben. And here is the old guide from 1917. Here's a shot of the amphitheater picture. A nice view. And this, they do a gladiator show here. Gladiator Valerius every few days in April on. And right outside the amphitheater, we are on the Mosel, and here are the vineyards of the Mosel all over the place. We drove about 80 kilometers on either side of the Mosel last night. Volker was just in her glory, having a delightful time.
We are in Luxembourg.
This is downtown Luxembourg, Luxembourg. We came in through the northern part of the country. We're on a shopping street in this delightful city. Just looking for shoes.
No.
For some flats.
But
Talk to me, Volker.
H&M, Jennifer, H&M.
Okay. Flags of Luxembourg, red, white, and blue, along with the European flag, common market. We're looking at the walls around this city of Luxembourg, why it has never been conquered, I think, in the millennium. There's the center sign. We drove around here for about 20 minutes before we could find a parking garage that was open with space.
Now this would be a nice apartment.
And there's a Maserati parked there. $150,000 car. I don't know what that poster is supposed to signify, but another direction looking south across this moatway. That is Luxembourg. Bridges spanning the gardens down below to the beautiful flowers. Very finished looking garden here. They are tulips, baby. Tulpen.
Tulips. No. You can tell by the leaves.
Yeah, the stem. Take a bus. No, it's a train tour. A little train shaped, or bus shaped like a train, down over this valley area. Folk is buying the tickets now. Here's a sign for some of the cities: Metz, Trier, Luxembourg, and this is where we are. Okay, this is looking down vertically from the wall here that I'm standing on, over to another bridge. We have folk flying in on Icelandic Air to Luxembourg many years ago when she came to the States. Very cheap flights.
It isn't to strike fear into those hearts, but to celebrate the national holiday, announce the birth of a new prince. Luxembourg, the green heart of Europe as it's called today, will continue to have a role to play.
Just stopped for